So Power Talks is an impact-driven program that's designed to, build and foster women's confidence. How do you think mentoring has an impact on women?
In our society, especially Indian society, which is highly patriarchal, sometimes external confidence, internal mentorship is required for a woman to step forward. Internally, sometimes we have the confidence, but sometimes we do need that external push to go forward because there are so many hindrances in our way.
Who were the women when you were growing up that gave you the confidence to advance, be it in professional or in a personal capacity?
I would say my nani, my mom, my sister have been driven me to do my best. My nani was always very confident in me and my career choices. My mom and my masi have been career women and they believe that work is something that every woman should do. And my sister is my best friend and she and I gave each other a lot of confidence. And now my mother-in-law, who's again very, very supportive of my work, gives me a lot of confidence and mentorship in trying to balance both my home life and my work life.
Your roles too, like, right from Neerja, Padman, Veere Di Wedding, they are like, women are taking ownership, like in the characters, not just your characters, but the rest. Does believing in this so strongly make the performance easier, or is it tough knowing that you have to tell the audience that this is something that matters and needs to be addressed?
Well, I think if it's a good story, I have honestly always looked for characters in films where women are front and center. And fortunately for me, they've been successful films, whether it's been Khoobsurat, Neerja, Veere Di Wedding. Even in films which I'm not the central character, whether it's a film like Padman or a film like Delhi 6 or even a film like Saawariya, which was my first film, I've always been pro-choice and those women have been as well. So whether it was consciously or subconsciously, I've always tried to choose those sort of characters.
In motherhood, sisterhood, and women, how have the bonds with, like, say, your son, your sisters, and your girlfriends changed the woman that you've been?
I surround myself with women who are better than me and smarter than me and more successful sometimes. And I think that inspires me and I take their advice. And all my friends are working women. So whether it's Samyukta Nair, Masaba Gupta, Pooja Dhingra, my sister Riya Kapoor, or other women, some of the women who've been here, a lot of them are my friends here. And I think surrounding yourself with women who work, women who take ownership for their lives is something that I'm always, they're my friends and that's my satsang.